Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Kasarkar MDA lingba ka kinhun menteri kalarai bahalor kapor balabo nagabenta ban penyat yaki election district council shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council but shaka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council but ikini ki election ni kapor jung election baro ka wela depen kutno approve house nem arajar arpsaw. Ka kinhun menteri Nray shisha kalong gabatip jangpi ong ukonrat sangma. Yakini baro ha banyo ega jing menjur na ulan bat komta shisien bakala long kabla penshisha tang da ulan nang tala ban penmenapat ba yaka Henry ka kinhun menteri menta kra menjur bat tirwai ka ban menjur shushu da ulat yathu ukonrat ki sangma.
For the conduct of the elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. And these elections, the entire schedule of the elections has been finalized or approved by the cabinet. But of course, as you're aware, all of this has to be approved by the governor. And therefore, once it is approved by the governor, only then can we officially announce it. But the cabinet has now approved and proposed it for further approval of the Honorable Governor of our state. So we await that, and once we get the approval from the Honorable Governor, we will be officially announcing and informing the exact dates and the schedule of the council elections. The next decision we had taken was the adoption of service rules for officials of the Meghalaya Drugs Control Wing. As you're aware that the Meghalaya Drugs Control Wing has been there for many years, if I'm not wrong, almost 50 years it's been in existence, but there was no service rules for this department. So we have today cleared those rules, and also similarly, like for the Meghalaya Drugs and Control Wing, the Meghalaya